What's up guys? Today we're going to be talking about chemical bonds. Now, when it comes to chemical bonds, there are three types. The first is covalent bond, the second one is ionic bond, and the last will be a hydrogen bond. We're going to be getting into each and every one of these bonds. Now, covalent bond. Now when it comes to covalent bond, there are two key terms that you have to pay attention to. The first is sharing of electrons, the second is formation of electron pairs. Now imagine two chlorine atoms having one valence electron. Now, one valence electron is definitely not a stable structure, right? Because you have to achieve duplet or octet. Now, they will share those two electrons and form a strong bond, which will give it a duplet configuration, which is super stable. There are three types of covalent bonds. The first is single, which is chlorine. Now, oxygen will have double bonds, while nitrogen will have your triple covalent bond. Now, when it comes to ionic bonds though, the atoms, all they want to do is donate or accept electrons to form a stable duplet or octet configuration. Now I want you to imagine a situation where sodium chloride is formed. Now sodium has one valence electron which it donates to unlock the inner shell, which is a stable octet, while chlorine receives one electron, give it 8 valence electrons. Now both atoms will have a stable octet structure. So that's all for ionic bonds. Moving on to hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds, you have three elements that will induce the hydrogen bond, which is fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. I memorized this with the FON principle. All that hydrogen bond is just an attractive force between hydrogen and high electronegativity atoms, which are FON I mentioned just now. So that's all for today, and as usual, study hard.